how to set vivid filter on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to take photos on your iPhone with the vivid filter on? Then you're in the right place. First things first, head over to your camera app and then you need to go to the upward pointing arrow like icon at the top, and then you can see the three intersecting circles after you swipe to the left. Just tap on it and then just tap on the second option, that is the vivid filter. Now every pictures you click will be in the vivid filter mode, and that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.